the way we do it, local style. Almond oil, all kinds of honey. 10 out of 10, guys. Yes, good evening, guys, and welcome at one of the biggest bus stations I have ever seen. I think there are a couple of hundred of these big buses, a couple of hundred minivans, taxi drivers, people selling fruit. I don't know what this is. People selling watches, caps, bags, basically everything you can find in a market. And I'm very happy because after 3 hours I finally managed to find a taxi driver to Gilgit, which is a popular place between Skardu and Hunza. It's time to leave. I've received some amazing service of this guy. He helped me
Gilgit, how are you?
basically with everything. It's gonna be a long ride, 10 or 11 hours, but we're used to that. I just hope the car really has AC as promised.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, salam alaikum.
चलो यार.
बस माँ बहुत सुन रहे हैं तू कायदेशीरन ये किस दिन एक ही दिन लगाया था साहब
जी एक दिन का लगाया सर.
ये कितनी गाड़ियाँ आ रही हैं
जी सर.
Yes, good morning, guys. We have made our first stop and we're gonna have some dinner up here. It smells delicious. I have no idea what they have, but look at this. Salam alaikum. Guys, welcome in Hunza. I have been dropped in Islamabad and I actually have to go to Karimabad. One guy offered me a taxi with European prices, which is crazy. This is the way we do it, local style. We have been promoted from 3rd to 2nd class. Still hanging half outside of the bus, but at least I'm sitting. Alright, we have been dropped somewhere in the middle of Karimabad. Now we're gonna have to find a hotel or guest house or anything because I am exhausted. Yes, good evening, guys. It's about 10 p.m. and we're at a place called Baltit Fort in Hunza, Pakistan. I woke up pretty late, but I can see most of the stores are still open. We're gonna check a few of them out and then go look for a nice meal. So this is also one of the things that are popular around here, especially apricot is widely grown in these areas. Right here you can see them too, in all kinds of sizes and colors, small ones, big ones. Got the shop selling oils, probably amla oil, almond oil, all kinds of honey. Not sure if they are real honeys. I'm very careful of buying honey. We've got a nice shop over here selling carpets in all kinds of styles, Persian, Turkish, and as you may have noticed, the electricity around there is not stable. So it's my first day and I've already experienced about 6 hours without electricity. Look at this shop. They have all kinds of stuff made out of wood and it looks pretty nice. Some type of guitar, probably a local one. All kinds of spoons, big, white, short, long, everything is available. Beautiful. Yeah, so many of these shops are actually the same. Selling gemstones, caps, traditional caps, carpets, traditional clothes. A lot of cashmere clothes, by the way, because we're actually not far from Kashmir. Got a stuffed goat over there. Some scarves in Pakistani style. Very nice. Okay guys, it's time for some food. So you can climb up this mountain and it should be about 400 meters. And for what I've heard, there should be a lot of local restaurants, which I prefer. Because why would you want a pizza or a burger when you're in Pakistan? There are many pizza shops. Got one over here, one over there, but apparently there's a pizza type that is actually a local pizza. So I might eat pizza after all. Alright guys, we're gonna try out this local pizza. This looks very nice guys, local style. And the pizza, by the way, is called yak chapshuro. I don't know if I ordered the one with chicken or with beef, but apparently this is the best place where you can try it out. Alright, let's have a seat. This is how it looks like from inside. You also get this yogurt sauce, and I also got this piece to try it out. It's another version. Ten out of 10 guys. It's very spicy. More spicy than most of the food that I've tried so far in Pakistan, but it's still manageable. Very juicy, a lot of onions, garlic I guess. Let's try out this one. It's made with cheese I guess. I have to be honest, it's not really my type. I think it's goat cheese, I'm not sure. And I never really liked goat cheese, so I'm gonna go for this one. I have to say, compared to the cats that I've seen in Islamabad, this one looks so good. Are these from Hunza or another area?
Ah, Hunza.
Hunza. Okay, you've heard it, guys.